Hello everyone! How are you feeling today? And this is your teacher Naina. I'm back with the brain training workshop. And this is your day 15. Welcome everyone. Welcome to the brain training and welcome to the Swiflearn. So get ready for your first activity today. And here we go. Find the difference. Look at these two pictures, observe and focus, and let's find out the difference among these pictures. So are you ready? Yes, if you're ready, your time starts now. Go ahead, use your visual skills and observation skills, stay focused and find the differences. You can do it. It's really simple. Just look at the both pictures and let's find out. Very good, keep going. I hope you got the answer and let's check it. And it's over here. These are the differences among these two pictures. Very good job. At least you got two differences and keep going. Alright. And I hope you have the pen and the paper. Get ready and let's copy these dots on your paper and let's figure out these 9 dots using 3 lines. How you can connect all these 9 dots by using 3 lines. How will you do this? Keep going. Let's try. Let's try and figure out how we can connect all these 9 dots using only 3 lines. Let's try. Pause the video and try a few times and come back and let's check the answer. So are you ready? Keep practicing and get ready to check the answer, and the answer is over here. So this is the answer. They only use 3 lines to connect all these 9 dots. Amazing job. If you could do this or try again, you can do it. So the next one, which number should be in the red square? So for these kind of activities, you have to think. You have to find the relation between the top numbers and the bottom numbers. You can see the 32 and 34. How we can make the 34 by using 32. So what is the relation between all these top numbers and the bottom numbers? And let's figure out and let's find what is missing in the red square. Take your time, try to do this at your pace and pause the video. Let's try it and come back and let's find the answer. So are you ready? Yes, alright. And let's check the answer, and the answer is over here. So when we will add 2 plus 32, we will get 34. And when we will add 5 with number 27, we will get 32. And when we will add number 8 with the 48, we will get 56. When we will add 11 with number 19, we will get 30. So the differences between 2, 5, 8 and 11 is number 3. So very good job for finding the answer. Keep trying. So this is your next question for today. Someone is waiting, that is of Mr. Rabbit. So find the way from the upper square to the lower one to get the right equation. That is the question. So are you ready to do this? Keep going. You have to find and figure out one equation. You have to go to the top to the bottom. So are you ready? Go ahead. Let's find it. It's really easy. It's like a puzzle. You can do it. It can be a long equation. It's totally fine. Let's try to do this one. Pause the video. Let's try to do this and come back and let's check the answer. So are you ready? Alright, let's check the answer, and the answer is over here. 4 plus 6 minus 5 plus 3 minus 6 plus 2 is equal to number 4. So this is the answer. Very good. And this is your next question. It takes a lot of brain exercises because we have to determine which number corresponds to each symbol. The numbers are whole and cannot be less than 1. So are you ready to do this one? If you're good at maths, you can do it. Oh, keep trying. So your time starts now. Take your time, copy the same on the paper and try to do at your pace, and let's check it. Keep trying, take your own time. Yes, very good. I hope you got the answer, and let's check the answer, and the answer is over here. So the heart is equal to 13, the square is equal to 12, the star is equal to 11 and the triangle is equal to 8. Very good job. And this is a funny question. You're taking part in a race and pass a second runner. So which position are you in now? What do you think? What is the answer? Do you get it? Let's check it. You overtook the second runner and took their place. So now you are in second position. So I hope you got the answer. Very good. And find the odd one out. This is a simple game. Let's use your observation skill and figure out which one is the odd one. Your time starts now. You have only 30 seconds to do this activity. Go ahead. Keep trying. Keep trying. Move your eyes. Yes, good job. I hope you got the answer. Get ready to check it. And it's over here. The eye is different than the others. Very good. And this is a funny question. Let's use the logic. Which door should you choose to survive? You have 3 doors over here. Door number 1, door number 2 and door number 3. And the first door here is a killer. And the second one is a lion star for year. Wow. So the third one here is fire. So which door will you choose to survive? I hope you got the answer. And it's over here. A lion wouldn't survive even a month without food, right? So you chose the second door. So that is the answer. Very good job. So thank you everyone for coming today. I hope you enjoyed the session and keep practicing at home. So be safe and healthy. See you everyone. Thank you for coming today. And if you like the session, please like, comment and share. Thank you.